Hi, Debra from the implementation team here. One great way to make your content engaging is the use of videos. Another way is to drop assessments into your content to let your team show what they're learning. Today, I'm going to share a trick for leveraging our AI-powered auto test generator, even when your subject contains a lot of embedded videos. Let's start with a quick reminder of how to embed a video into your step. You're going to switch from Format to Insert and click the lightning bolt. My video is from YouTube, so I'm going to click there and paste the share link. Now I'm going to add the video, and boom, that video is now part of my step. Okay, here comes the trick that I promised. We're going to go back to the site where that video is hosted and grab the transcript from that video. My video is from YouTube, so to get the transcript, we're going to click the More button and scroll down to show the transcript. And there it is. We're just going to grab that to put into our step. Now you can paste this directly into the step with the video, or you can create a new temporary step called transcript and paste it there. That's what I'm going to do. Once I'm done building my subject and copying all the video transcripts over, I'm ready to generate my test. Let's go back out to our subject page and add a title like knowledge check. We're going to switch from topic to test and click to create. I'm planning to use Trainual's AI-powered auto-generate test feature. When I click the button, it's going to ask me which topics I want to create a test for. Then I click to auto-generate. Once it's done its magic, we'll have a bank of 10 test questions created that include content from our videos because it can read the transcripts from those videos. Be sure to review your test questions before leaving this page. The last thing we need to do before this subject is ready for publishing is just go back and either remove those transcripts, or another option is to move them to a topic that you leave in draft status when you publish the subject. Now you're ready to roll this out to your team. Thanks for coming to Trainual Tips and Tricks. We'll see you next time.